What if a recent Windows update actually made your PC slower instead of better? That's exactly what happened for a limited number of Dell users, and Microsoft has now responded with an emergency fix. In this video, we're taking a look at the latest Windows 11 25H2 emergency update that Microsoft has released to address these performance issues. We'll cover everything you need to know about this update, including what's new, who it's intended for, and what problems it fixes. This emergency update brings Windows 11 build 26200.8894, KB5121767. According to Microsoft, it's designed to resolve performance-related issues that impacted a limited number of Dell devices running Windows 11 25H2, helping improve overall system stability and responsiveness. So, is your PC affected, and should you install this update? Let's find out. If you're using Windows 11 or want to stay updated on the latest Windows releases, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows updates. Now, let's take a look at what Microsoft officially says about this update. According to Microsoft's release notes, this update focuses on system performance. It addresses an issue affecting a limited number of devices using the Intel Innovation Platform Framework, IPF, driver, which could cause unexpected changes in system performance, power consumption, or overall system behavior after installing recent Windows updates. Microsoft also confirmed that some Dell devices were temporarily blocked from receiving the July 2026 security update because of this issue. With the release of Windows 11 build 26200.8894, KB5121767, those affected devices can now safely install the update. Although Microsoft states that this emergency update is primarily intended for affected devices, many users may still receive it through Windows Update. If it appears on your PC, it's generally safe to install since it is designed to resolve existing issues and improve system stability rather than introduce new features. Microsoft has also published additional details on its official learn.microsoft.com website regarding this emergency release. According to Microsoft, the issue affecting some Dell devices with specific Intel Innovation Platform Framework, IPF, drivers has now been resolved through the out-of-band update released on July 18th, as well as in all updates released after that date. This is a cumulative update, which means you don't need to install any previous updates before applying it. It includes all the latest security and non-security improvements, along with the additional fix for the affected Dell devices. Microsoft also confirmed that devices which were temporarily blocked from receiving the July 2026 security update will now be offered this emergency update through Windows Update. In short, the problem related to the Intel Innovation Platform Framework Processor Participant Driver, which could lead to reduced system performance, increased power consumption, higher CPU temperatures, and unexpected system behavior, has now been resolved with Windows 11 build 26200.8894, KB5121767. Now, let's look at how you can get this latest emergency update. If your device is affected, simply open the Settings app, go to Windows Update, make sure Get the latest updates as soon as they're available is enabled, and then check for updates. If your PC is eligible, Windows 11 build 26200.8894, KB5121767, should appear automatically. Interestingly, many users may receive this update even if they don't own a Dell device. For example, it was offered on my system as well, even though I'm not using Dell hardware. If the update doesn't appear in Windows Update, you can also install it manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for KB5121767, then download the package that matches your Windows 11 version and system architecture. For Windows 11 25H2, look for build 26200.8894 x64. Since this is a cumulative update, it includes all previous security and non-security fixes, so you don't need to install earlier updates first. Overall, the fact that Microsoft released an out-of-band emergency update highlights how important this issue was. The update is designed to resolve the Intel Innovation Platform Framework driver problem, restoring normal system performance, improving power efficiency, reducing unnecessary CPU temperature spikes, and preventing unexpected behavior on affected Dell devices. That wraps up everything you need to know about Windows 11 25H2 build 26200.8894, KB5121767. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 updates, features, and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.